I appreciate everything, y'all. Y'all have a great night.
All right.
That's my group home.
Okay, we got you.
How you doing, man? My name's Gemini. I just called about my PlayStation.
All right. And what's wrong with your PlayStation?
Okay, so man, I got a couple of kids at home, and they like to yank my cords and stuff, so it tends to get yanked on. A couple of the USB ports and stuff are messed up, and the HDMI port as well. So I just need all of that fixed up if you can.
Yeah, we got you. We could definitely do that. We
Yes,
specialize. We only see that your C port's working there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I love the stickers, dude. Like I said, Killua.
Yeah. Thank you.
Love the anime.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I'll get your information here. We'll help you out, Cell Phone Club.
I need gloves. Fuck.
Does it? Come. It doesn't smell like the Xbox though.
Yeah. Sexy.
call.
See, he doesn't let me go home.
How you doing, Mama? You ready to go home too?
Shit, she had her
You
pizza.
ready?
She's happy where she is.
How you doing, girl? You big girl.
See,
How
he's
you
the only
doing?
black dude that's not scared of you.
How you doing? No, I love big dogs.
No, dude, every time I take her outside we go over next door and the black dude's always running out. Oh, big dog. And I'm like, dude, I'm sorry, it's a baby, dude.
Yeah.
Every time, even today.
She's beautiful, really. She's really
Dude, you
beautiful.
missed that this dude could have even moved. He was all.
I love her coat, bro. It's really
Beautiful.
dope. Like I've never seen a coat like that, to be honest. It's like a domino coat,
Yeah.
but it's like
Okay.
great.
So, you're looking at 84?
Okay. Thank you. There you go. I appreciate you, man.
Oh, man. Appreciate you, too. You got our business cards, too, by the way?
I do not. Let me get that. Thank you.
Bag a few, take a photo.
Yes, sir. I got plenty of homies, so I'll let them know. I appreciate everything, y'all. Y'all have a great night.
All right, you take care. And let your group home know that we fix stuff, too. We'll give them discounts. We
Yes,
we
sir.
know how it is over there.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
All right, man.
Premier Care. That's my group home.
Okay, we got